Hello viewers, I am Irfan Ali. I am back today with another topic of computer, which is the analytical engine. Charles Babbage was the founder of modern computer because he gives the idea and invented the analytical engine, and he gives the valuable gift to the mankind, to the world. The basic concept of the modern electronic computer. He presents the basic concept of modern electronic computer. In the design of Charles Babbage's idea, which he called the analytical engine. He presents, he submits, he presents the idea of input, he presents the output and storage and process. That means this engine, this first computer, this first mechanical programmable computer can work as our modern computers do. Our modern computers accept data, input, works as input, output, process and storage. That computer also works same. That's why we say that the Charles Babbage is the founder of modern computer. The lady Ada Lovelace of Countess, he presents the first program for that analytical engine. She was very interested in the Charles Babbage's design. She was the very intelligent, clever student of the Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage was very researcher and very hardworking mathematician. He presents the first analytical engine. The problem was that this engine was very powerful and the idea was very advanced, that it was not completed. It was incomplete in that era of Charles Babbage, because the technology and the skills was not developed in that era. The technology and skills was not developed in that era. And other problem was that the funding and the funding was not given to this scientist, and economic problem and मुआशी मसला ये जो इस मशीन को बनाने में पैदा हो गया, क्योंकि ये मशीन बहुत महंगी थी. इट वाज वेरी कॉस्टली. कोई भी ऐसी कंप्यूटर जो हम पहले ज़माने में बनती थी, जो आज बन रही हैं कंप्यूटर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, जो पहले मैकेनिकल कंप्यूटर बन रहे थे, वो बड़े महंगे होते हैं. उनके लिए बड़ी इकोनॉमी खर्च होती है, जिसकी वजह से ये इनकम्प्लीट हो गई मिशन. After 110 years, in 1943, in Harvard, the similar machine was invented, Mark I computer. The first general purpose computer was invented and completed in 1943. Thank you very much.